दादा उमा मैडम फ्री है? ठीक है.
कौन है? कैमरा? कौन?
Hi Huma.
Oh, hi guys.
We are back.
Oh my
Yes, you're
god.
back.
And this time we're going to play 2 games.
Oh God.
The first one is rapid fire. But you cannot think. You cannot take a halt when you're answering.
Okay, fine. Fine.
Okay?
I'll try.
So we begin. 5 songs on your workout playlist.
Sia, Cheap Thrills, Billie Eilish, Bad Guy, I don't know. क्या ऐसे याद नहीं आते यार. धतिंग नाच, any हनी सिंह song, any बादशाह song, any song.
All right. 5 food items you can never give up.
मेरे मॉम के हाथ का बना हुआ कुछ भी. चाट, I love चाट. Like it's my biggest craving cheap thing ever. Anything cooked with love, yeah. To be honest, like कुछ भी चीज अच्छे से कोई प्यार से बनाए तो I love it.
5 Bollywood celebrities you would love to work with.
अभी I'm not gonna answer this. मतलब it's like what is this? मतलब फिर बाकी सब मुझे बोलेंगे कि हमारा नाम क्यों नहीं लिया. So pass.
All right, chalo. We can give this a pass. 5 things you can't leave your house without.
My khakis, my phone. Actually phone number 1. फोन का चार्जर, बैकअप बैटरी पैक, क्रेडिट कार्ड, या बैग जिसमें सब आएगा सामान.
5 things everyone should know how to cook.
बिरयानी, निहारी, कबाब, अंडा भुर्जी, चाय. I think everybody should know how to make all these like interesting things. They're part of our culture and tradition. सबको आना चाहिए.
5 places to visit on your bucket list.
I want to see like actually every continent in the world.
Wow.
Like I want to like go and like visit every continent, stay there for a few days. I've still not done like Antarctica, say for example. So that's something on my bucket list, and I want to go to every beach spot in the world. Like I'm a fully beach person, so like the sand, sun, ocean, like that's my happy place. So I want to go to like every ocean in the world, take my boat, swim, and then get back and like that's my dream.
5 reasons to watch Fit, Fab and Feast.
Ooh, this is a really, really cool show. I think we're trying to, capture a whole lot of things. आ रहे guys, आ रहे. देखो short के लिए बुला रहे हैं आप लोग ये सब करा रहे हो. But I think it's going to be a really cool show. I'm very excited. I think it's going to, throw up some really, really interesting things that people can like take away from it. And of course, it's got me.
Fit Fab Feast with Huma Qureshi. Only on Zee Zest. Unlimit Life.